DIY wood wall art projects, rustic and modern home decor ideas. Imagine walking into a room where the walls instantly make you feel warm, calm, and inspired. That's the power of wood wall decor. Natural textures, rich tones, and handcrafted designs can completely transform an empty space into something stylish and inviting. Today we're exploring stunning wooden wall art ideas that bring character, elegance, and timeless beauty into your home, while also revealing how these beautiful designs can become a source of income. If your walls feel plain and lifeless, you're just one creative idea away from a total transformation. Wood decor is more than just a trend. It's a growing lifestyle movement that blends nature with modern design. From sleek geometric wood panels to rustic reclaimed wood masterpieces, these ideas can help you create a cozy, luxurious atmosphere while also offering profitable opportunities for those who want to sell handmade decor pieces or start a small home-based business. Welcome to our home decor channel, where creativity meets comfort and every design tells a story. Here we share inspiring, stylish, and practical ideas to help you transform your living space beautifully and affordably. If you love creative decor ideas and want to learn how design can also create income opportunities, make sure to subscribe and join our growing community. Wood wall art is versatile, timeless, and highly marketable. With the right designs, materials, and presentation, you can sell wooden wall panels, custom name signs, carved art pieces, or modern accent decor both online and locally. By combining creativity with smart pricing and promotion, your passion for home decor can turn into a steady income stream. Whether you're decorating your own space or building a decor business, wood wall art offers endless possibilities for beauty and financial growth. Wood wall decor is more than just a design choice. It's a way to add warmth, personality, and value to your home while opening doors to creative income opportunities. With thoughtful design and a little innovation, your walls can become both a beautiful statement and a profitable venture. If you enjoyed these ideas, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more inspiring home decor transformations and creative business ideas. Your support helps us bring you more beautiful content every week.